Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see what is IAC. So IAC is a infrastructure as a code. So basically, we have a GUI interface when we having the cloud access. So if you are taking AWS, in that we have a GUI interface basically. But if we want to create some resources like EC2, S3 bucket, RDS, any load balancer, we have to go to the console and we have to click and create everything. But when coming to a kind of IAC tool, it is called as an infrastructure as a code. So in that basically we will use some code to create the environment in cloud. It can be like a Terraform, Ansible, this kind of Pulumi. So this kind of tools will be called as a IAC tool. So the benefit of IAC tool basically once we created we can reuse it many times, and as per our requirement we can make it more secure, and it is more reliable, and coming to different environment it's going to save our time basically. So this is the main use of IAC tool. So Terraform, which is the one of the IAC tool, it is open source. We can create modules, and we can create a bunch of codes which is already available in the website. We can take it and we just need to understand what is the code, and as per our requirement we are going to modify those. Terraform behind the scene, it is going to create the entire environment what you are going to give in the code. So that is the main use case of Terraform. When coming to pre-request, you should know what is IAC, and then you have to know something about a Terraform. So because Terraform is basically most of the places we are right now using, and we should have some knowledge on CLI. So this is enough to learn more about Terraform. So if you like this video, just click the thumbs up, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.